Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Now that we've looked at the roots of American truck culture, let's explore how Ford, GM, and Chrysler have evolved their trucks over the decades, from cutting-edge designs to groundbreaking technology. Let's dive in. Marketing strategies and brand loyalty. The Big Three Automakers have developed marketing strategies that appeal to truck owners and foster brand loyalty. Each company uses unique approaches to reach their target audience. What makes these strategies effective? Let's take a closer look at each company's approach. Ford's Built Ford Tough campaign and Raptor off-road capabilities. Ford's Built Ford Tough campaign has been a hallmark of the company's marketing efforts. The campaign emphasizes the durability and capability of Ford trucks, particularly the F-150. The F-150 Raptor is a prime example of this, with its off-road capabilities and aggressive styling. Ford has also partnered with off-road enthusiasts and racing teams to showcase the Raptor's abilities. This approach has helped build a loyal following among off-road enthusiasts. What does the future hold for the F-150 Raptor? Will it continue to be a top choice for off-road enthusiasts? Some key features of the F-150 Raptor include high-strength steel frame, advanced suspension system, aggressive styling, powerful engine options. Chevrolet's Find New Roads campaign and Silverado's work-ready features. Chevrolet's Find New Roads campaign takes a different approach. The campaign emphasizes the idea of exploring new possibilities and pushing beyond boundaries. The Silverado is positioned as a truck that can handle any task, whether it's work or play. Chevrolet has also focused on showcasing the Silverado's work-ready features, such as its towing capacity and advanced trailering system. This approach has helped build a loyal following among workers and outdoor enthusiasts. Can the Silverado continue to be a top choice for those who need a reliable work truck? Some benefits of the Silverado's work-ready features include increased towing capacity, advanced trailering system, durable construction, comfortable interior. Ram's Guts, Glory, Ram. Campaign and 1500s performance variants. Ram's Guts, Glory, Ram. Campaign is all about attitude and performance. The campaign emphasizes the idea of pushing limits and achieving greatness. The Ram 1500 is positioned as a truck that can deliver exceptional performance and capability. Ram has also introduced performance variants like the Ram 1500 TRX, which offers a unique combination of power and agility. This approach has helped build a loyal following among performance enthusiasts. What's next for the Ram 1500? Will it continue to be a top choice for those who demand exceptional performance? Some key features of the Ram 1500 TRX include powerful engine options, advanced suspension system, aggressive styling, premium interior materials. Community and cultural impact. The Big Three automakers have a significant influence on truck culture and community, extending beyond their products to events, sponsorships, and owner loyalty programs. They engage with enthusiasts, foster brand loyalty, and create a sense of belonging among truck owners. But what drives this connection between the Big Three and their loyal followers? It's the shared passion for trucks and the lifestyle that comes with them. Truck festivals and events sponsored by the Big Three highlight notable events where the Big Three showcase their trucks and engage with enthusiasts. The Big Three automakers participate in various truck festivals and events across the U.S. These events provide a platform for them to showcase their latest models, interact with enthusiasts, and build brand awareness. For instance, the Ford F-150 is often showcased at the annual Detroit Auto Show, while Chevrolet's Silverado is a staple at the Texas State Fair. Ram, on the other hand, sponsors the Ram Truck Territory Experience at various events, offering attendees a chance to test drive their trucks and experience their capabilities firsthand. Some notable events include the Detroit Auto Show, the Texas State Fair, the Chicago Auto Show, the SEMA Show in Las Vegas. These events bring together truck enthusiasts, allowing them to share their passion and learn about the latest developments in the truck industry. What makes these events so popular among truck enthusiasts? Is it the chance to see the latest models, or the opportunity to connect with like-minded individuals? Owner loyalty programs and clubs. Explain the benefits and activities offered by owner loyalty programs for each brand. The Big Three automakers offer owner loyalty programs and clubs that provide exclusive benefits and activities to their members. These programs aim to foster brand loyalty, encourage customer engagement, and create a sense of community among truck owners. For example, Ford's owner loyalty program offers rewards, discounts, and special perks to its members, while Chevrolet's owner loyalty program provides access to exclusive events, priority service, and loyalty rewards. Ram's owner loyalty program, on the other hand, offers a range of benefits, including complimentary maintenance, priority scheduling, and exclusive access to Ram events. Some benefits of these programs include exclusive rewards and discounts, priority service and scheduling, access to special events and experiences, opportunities to connect with other truck enthusiasts. These programs help build a strong sense of community among truck owners, encouraging them to share their passion and loyalty with others. What do you think is the most significant benefit of these owner loyalty programs? Is it the exclusive rewards, or the chance to connect with other truck enthusiasts? Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.